Everything begins at the root. The root chakra, known as Muladhara, is the foundation of your energy system, the place where safety, stability, and survival are born. When this chakra is balanced, you feel grounded and secure. But when it's blocked, life can feel uncertain and unstable. In this video, we'll explore what the root chakra truly is, how to recognize imbalance, and how to restore your sense of strength and peace. The root chakra sits at the base of your spine, connecting you to the earth itself. Its color is deep red, symbolizing life force and grounding energy. Its element is earth, representing stability and foundation. And its sound frequency is 396 Hz, a powerful vibration known to release fear and guilt, helping you reconnect to your inner strength. When your root chakra is open and aligned, you feel secure in who you are. You trust life's process. You stand tall and move forward with confidence. But when the root chakra is blocked, fear begins to rise. You may feel anxious, disconnected, or uncertain about your path. These are signs that your foundation needs care, a reminder to return to the ground beneath your feet. Healing begins with grounding. Spend time in nature. Feel the earth beneath you, the soil, the grass, the roots that hold all life steady. Eat grounding foods, root vegetables, earthy teas, or anything that nourishes your body from within. Move your body through yoga poses like mountain or tree, and breathe deeply. As you breathe, repeat simple affirmations. I am safe. I am grounded. I am supported. I belong here. To strengthen your root chakra even more, listen to the frequency of 396 Hz, a tone that gently releases fear and anchors your spirit in peace. You can experience this healing vibration in my root chakra meditation video, linked below. Take this moment to breathe, relax, and feel your energy settling back home, deep within your root.